Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Sealit, a tool that claims to protect, share, and monitor confidential emails and files without passwords. It's a pretty interesting tool with different use cases. Kind of rare to find a tool like that on AppSumo. I think they have only one before that. And you will use that tool to encrypt and decrypt your files, and also to send confidential message to your customers, to your team members, etc. So you use Sealit as a zero trust data protection platform that secures confidential emails and files in a single click without passwords. You will not have a need to use a password. You will use an app that will authorize you to log in on Sealit and to decrypt your files. So the idea here is to share information confidentially with a system that will guarantee that only you and the person that you want to see the message will have access to this kind of information. The use case, you can think that it's pretty easy to understand. People who use sensitive information, lawyers, human rights advocates, accountants, consultants, you will be able, for instance, to share sensitive and private data with your customer without the fear of that email to be monitored. As you can see here, you'll be able to encrypt and decrypt emails up to 2 megabytes, and you're gonna get all the features of their business plan. Okay, the tiers here are pretty simple to understand. If you buy the tier 1, you get unlimited everything plus 10 users. If you buy more tiers, you were gonna get more users. On tier 3, you get maximum of 100 users. So if you have a big company, if you have more users using Sealit to share confidential informations, you can do that. Okay, so let's take a look at Sealit. Sealit is pretty simple. You won't need to set up. You're gonna download the app. You're gonna get your Sealit ID, your Android app or your Mac app, and then, or your iTunes app. I don't remember the name of the app. Like, Mac app. And then you will set up your email. You set up your email with a click of a button. So you can set up Outlook or Gmail. It's pretty simple. You do that in a click of a button. And then you have the possibility to install the add-in. The add-in is available for Google, for Gmail, and for Outlook. And then you have the iOS, Mac, and the Android app. With the app, you approve the sign-in and decryption requests. You can also read your security message and track confidential data use. Okay? And with the Google add-in or Outlook add-in, you will be able to send the security message without the need to log in on that dashboard. So you can just, in a click of a button, use Sealit while you are logged in and sending emails on your Gmail account or your Outlook account. And how the tool works. There are two different features here: the message and the file encrypt and decrypt. Okay? So first, before I show you the features, let's check out here that you can invite your team members. You can add teams and you can invite team members with their email. So just need to add their emails and you can invite your team members. You can on tier 1 invite up to 10. If you get more a higher tier, then you can invite more team members. So let's see now how it looks like the file encrypt and decrypt. So if you have a file that's confidential, let's say you have a video that's personal, it's about your family, and you want to share it, or you want to store it on your computer, but without the risk of someone seeing it. You can then encrypt that file, so you need Sealit to decrypt it. When I say you can encrypt that file, it means that nobody will be able to open it and see the file without decrypting it. Let's see how it works. I have an image here and I'm gonna add it here. It will upload and that file will be encrypted. You can allow others to access that file or not. Okay, let's say for the sake of that review, you want to share that file with someone. So just add their email here and click on Encrypt. And I'm going to share that file with that person with that email. And you can see here, you download the file. The file is now encrypted, that isn't an image file anymore. It's a Sealit file. And if you need to decrypt it, you need to click here and copy and paste the file. Sealit will identify the file. And then you need your iPhone app. So the person who is a Sealit owner will need to authorize you to decrypt the file. Look how it's secure. Someone will need access to your Sealit, and then you're gonna get a code on your Sealit app. You're gonna type the code here, and then you'll be able to decrypt the file. The file is decrypted. You just download the file. Now it's an image file again. It's pretty cool, don't you think? Pretty cool. I can think about many use cases to protect my sensitive information using Sealit. And look how it's cool. This is unlimited. You can encrypt and decrypt unlimited files. And the message, you can use your Google, your Outlook, or use their inbox interface, which is pretty cool. So you're gonna send the email, the protected email to someone. So here's my secret message. And you can type here your information, your sensitive information. Here is your message, etc., etc. You can also add links, and you can, of course, add files. The maximum attachment is 20 megabytes. Okay, I'm gonna add an image here. You can do a CC or BCC as well. And then when you are ready, click on Seal and Send. And it's done. You sent your security message. You can see your security message here on Send. So the person will receive your secret message, and they will receive an email saying that you have a confidential message to them, and they will be able to click on the link and access the information. Okay? So that is Sealit. I hope you like that review. I think the tool has really interesting and significant features that will help to improve your security. If you like that review, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going and take a look at how Sealit can help your workflow. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.